It's the lagoon.
Don't even think about it. My eye.
Hey, you should have brought goggles.
Like jet ski, they offer the goggles.
Ha.
Swap out?
It's up to you. I don't care.
Let me know. Why is it up to me?
I am not the project manager on this. I am strictly the follow along laborer.
No, it's not, Stevie. You get to make some choices.
Huh?
You get to make some choices. The key word is some.
No, I don't make any choices. I just go along. Don't you know I have to be looked after. I have to be told what to do. I have.
Don't listen anyway.
Huh?
Don't listen anyway.
Yeah, well, you know me too well.
So everybody in those restaurants can see us. You know when they eat in there?
Uh-huh. Oh no.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I never stood up paddleboard before.
Oh, then we have to do that.
Well, you've done it before.
No, that's why I'm scared to fall in.
Well, I think you're gonna fall in.
Wow, thanks for the vote of confidence.
No problem.
Because you think you're gonna fall in too?
Probably. I've never done it
How
before.
about you go first?
No, I don't know. I don't know how to do
You
it.
go first. I want to watch. If you
No.
fall in, I'm not doing it.
No.
See,
You
but I
do it.
wanna
No,
fall in
no.
this
You do it
water.
the
I'm
same together.
scared. The Loch Ness monster might get me. I must sit down. You can sit down and stand up paddleboard. Sit down paddleboard.
Sit down paddleboard.
Right?
I guess so.
Wait a minute.
I know, are they setting me up? Come get me. It's normally part of the process. So I really don't want to.
Neither do I, but the worst is gonna happen. You're gonna get mad.
Oh, thanks.
Standing, what you don't want to do is look down at the board half the time because it's kind of like you're bouncing on one leg and you get the same type of like. So if you're standing, you want to try to keep